Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to find the GCD of two numbers, means the greatest common divisor of two number. So let's start this with the program. This line defines a function named find GCD that takes two parameters a and b. These parameters represent the two numbers for which we want to find the greatest common divisor, and the function will implement the Euclidean algorithm to find GCD of two numbers. Here in the second line, the while loop will keep running as long as b is non-zero. If b becomes 0, the loop will stop. This is because the remainder of a division will eventually become 0, and when that happens, the greatest common divisor is found. Now in the next line, we'll update a and b using Euclidean algorithm. This line is the core of the Euclid algorithm, as AB is equals to B, A percentage B does two things. It assigns the value of B to A, and it assigns the remainder of a divided by B, A divided by B, to B. This continues to happen until b becomes 0, and the number a will then hold the greatest common divisor of original a and b. Now in the next line, after a while loop ends, that is when b becomes 0, the function returns a as the GCD of two numbers. At this point, a will contain the greatest common divisor of the original numbers. Now in the next line, we are taking user input. This line prompts the user to enter the first number, and in the next line, this line prompts the user to enter the second number, and the input function reads the input from the user as a string, and int converts the string to an integer. The integer is stored in the variable num1, and the second integer is stored in variable num2. Now in the next line here, this line calls the find GCD function, passing the two numbers num1 and num2 as arguments, and the result of find GCD function, which is GCD of num1 and num2, is stored in a variable GCD. Now in the next line here, this line points the result of GCD calculation in a formatted string, as the num1 and num2 and GCD are replaced with the actual values of num1 and num2 and GCD respectively. The result is printed to the console, telling the user the GCD of two numbers. So let's check this program. We need to enter the first number and the second number. Hence, the greatest common divisor of 12 and 40 is 4. So, thanks for watching this video.